Hey guys, this is episode 8 of cleaning our property and expanding our garden. Now that being said, I've already done the introductory, but I don't think the microphone picked it up because I had the microphone turned off. So we're going to rewind back to where I was bagging all this up and we'll get back to it. We're going to get rid of all this garbage here, put it in garbage bags so we can take it to the landfill. This is episode 8. Thank you for watching so far. It's going to be a good episode. Peace. Wrong pair of shoes. Like I said, I stepped in for a minute, put on the wrong pair of shoes on my way back out. Shoes are on there. Okay guys, so I have to finish some things in the house, doing the cats, the chickens, etc. I've got 50% of this bagged up, the majority of it left, plastic on that side, metal over there, and the glass and the rubber. Now I gotta get these bags, take them to the landfill. Little by little, people, every step counts. Fitting that's behind an old Clean Mart sanitation truck. Okay guys, so this is a portion of our house. Been doing a lot of work and remodeling and repairing our house. So this porch in the past was actually about a foot lowered because the supports are rotten. I fixed those, redid the railing, put a false girder in, did all that. I connected our shop and our house with a wall with a nice metal cap on top of it. It's pressure treated wood and it has a door in it. I restained it the color of a red cedar. Now I'm going to be cleaning back here. Yes, I have flower boxes here that are still unfinished. I'm waiting on the materials for that, and we were jumping around cleaning up back there behind the property. So while I'm waiting on the company that we have contracted out to pick up all those bags of garbage, I'm going to be doing some cleanup here. And besides, I have ADD, so that's what I do. I jump around, number one. And number two, I really don't think our viewers want to watch the same thing over and over, me just cleaning up the trash back there. So now we're going to be cleaning it up over here. We also have a little fish pond I'm digging out here as well. So let's get to it. It's cold again today. It is freezing. That right there is a judyberry plant. It's like a bush. You actually can make jelly and jams out of the berries that come off of it. So we will be saving that. I'll chop it down a little bit. They grow like a weed. Retract your feet. I'm gonna unbend this. Freaking epic. Guys, I love doing stuff like this. Not only are we cleaning up the property, I'm finding all kinds of cool stuff that we're going to be able to do cool projects with. Anyone who wants to make fun of me, now fine. We've done all this type of stuff before, my wife and I. We just haven't filmed it. Now we're going to film it. Scrap artwork and all kinds of cool stuff. Okay guys, this is how far we've gotten thus far. We've gotten all of this stuff, all of it, out of here. Guys, this is the end of the episode. If you could follow us for the next one, we really appreciate it. Still have a lot more work to do, as y'all can see. A lot more. But this ends episode 8, episode 9. We will just continue plugging along. Thank you guys for watching. If you could comment, like, subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. A lot of work and effort goes into making these videos. Thank you. I hope you have a blessed day.